One of the things about Manila is it's really not a very walkable city. But there's a few areas. I think probably the best area for walking is the Greenbelt area from Cadi. I'm currently walking, well, they literally have miles of elevated walkways around the Greenbelt area. And then it allows you to walk a long distance to the actual Greenbelt Mall, and then a little bit further as well. Today what I'm going to be doing is taking a walk in the Greenbelt area and then heading over to the Venetian Mall. I know malls aren't the most favorite tourist attraction with most people, myself included, but I'm going to take a look at them because there's not a lot of spaces to walk down in the cities, and they've done some good work on them actually. They've really put a lot of effort into making a realistic ecological park. That's a suitable term. So we took a grab vehicle to the Venetian Grand Canal Mall. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So as I was saying, this is just another takeoff on the Venetian Italian canal facade. So let's check it out. Hello. I have a camera. Thank you. This is probably one of the more favored selfie destinations in Manila. I've never seen something so popular. The droves of people that come here just to look at the canal. It doesn't really get too much light in the afternoon, and I noticed, so it's a little bit lackluster. But it's worth the stopover. So yeah, so here's the main canal, and it doesn't go in a circle. Basically, it goes one direction. They turn around one end, and they make their way back. Everybody watches, I guess, sits on the sidelines. Plenty of restaurants here. So if you're looking for a place for dinner, but you're not sure where to go, this is probably a good alternative because you can just simply walk a little bit and then pick a place as you walk around. There's been a recent effort in Venice to keep tourism out and prevent over tourism, they call it. And I think one of the ideas, or one of the measures that perhaps likely unintentional to keep tourism away might be simply to have more of these Venetian style malls overseas. You know, we have a great one in Las Vegas, the Venetian, and they actually do a better job than this one here in Manila. But the one in Manila is actually they call it a lifestyle mall because it's mostly bars and restaurants, or I should say more restaurants, some bars too, and then a movie theater. But most people seem to come here mostly for just to stroll and maybe take some selfies. I actually just spoke to somebody who informed me that this was built or opened a few years ago, but it's actually still under construction. That explains the open offices on the upstairs and the higher levels, that they're actually not finished yet, and they are gradually finishing up, maybe in the next year or so. So anyway, that's the reason why the third level is quite there in some of these places along the way. And then the tower, which I'm kind of sad to say I don't know the name of it in Italy, but they have a similar one in Las Vegas, and that's you cannot walk to it here. There's nothing inside it or around it. It's sort of just a visual piece. Then when you're done walking around and taking in all the sights, what they have here is plenty of good Italian food. It's actually mostly fast food joints. And then there's kind of a central market area down here. Designed around children mostly. Very good, very good.